Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of calligraphy with the Kuretake GA504-14 GA504 calligraphy set, a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to master the art of beautiful writing. This set comes with a full open calligraphy bag for easy access, ensuring that all your tools are within reach as you create stunning works of art. Safety is a priority with the traffic safety seal, which guarantees that the bag will glow even at night, adding an extra layer of convenience and security. The kit includes solid ink and 6.1 fluid ounces of calligraphy liquid, along with both thick and fine brushes to cater to your every artistic need. You'll also find a 1.6 square foot watermark, 10 sheets of paper, a paperweight, an underlay, a water jug, and a medium plate, all neatly organized in a stylish calligraphy bag. Plus, there's a name sticker included, so you can personalize your set. With dimensions of 11.8 by 8.5 by 2.0 inches and weighing just 4.6 ounces, this set is portable and perfect for both beginners and seasoned calligraphers alike. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.